Hey, it's Jamie
and Evie, and our project that we are doing today and for the next couple of days is making a dress for Blair. This is Blair. I have a sketch for the dress and measurements on another paper. The fabric I'll be using is this pink fabric. It's more of a hot pink in person. I'm going to be making a belt out of this scale fabric.
So there's a lot of sewing that goes on in the ballet, between all the costumes that we wear to the shoes that each dancer sews their individual way. And so this is like a fun little project that we're going to work on our hand sewing. And if you have scraps of fabric around, or maybe you've been cleaning out your closet, switching things out from winter to spring, things that don't fit, you don't like, perfect opportunity to use that fabric as scraps to make something awesome and new and find a new way to be creative.